Are you ready to embark on an exciting career in data analytics? But before you start, ensure you avoid some of those common pitfalls that could hinder your growth and your progress in the field. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data sciences, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other technological advancements. If this is your first time seeing me or seeing any of my content, you're welcome to the community. Ensure you click on the subscribe button so you're part of this amazing community, and on the notification bell like you can see on your screen, so that you're alerted and you'll be the first to be alerted whenever I post any new video. In this video, I'll be talking about some of those common mistakes you should watch out for when beginning your journey. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to get the full detail. The first mistake people make when starting out is not setting clear goal. People come into data science not knowing what they want. Like they say, a bad plan is better than no plan. At least it's good to have something you're looking out for. Like if you don't know where you're going, you won't know when you arrive at your destination. So ensure you set clear goals in line with your personality, in line with your aspiration, and having clear goal would help guide your learning path and help you make informed decisions along the way. So ensure you have clear goal before starting out data science. Another mistake people make when starting out is not knowing the different job roles. So they just come into and want to do everything. It is crucial to know that data science, data analytics, machine learning, data engineers are all distinct roles, and they all require different set of skills. So knowing the role you want to go for will determine the skills you learn. I've seen people come up to me and they want to do data analytics and they are going to learn Java or HTML. This is because they've not done research to know the role they want and the skill they need for that role. So by exploring and researching this different role, you can align your strength and your passion in the right career path. Another common mistake we'll talk about is ignoring or underestimating the importance of basics or foundational knowledge. Most beginners, when they start, they want to jump on more advanced things, complex concepts, forgetting that the foundation is very important. It's like wanting to learn English language and you avoiding learning ABC. Having a solid foundation will determine your success in the field and your level of acceleration. Take time to understand basics like the basics of data sciences, the different types of data analytics. If you're learning programming language, learn the basics like data types, variables, data structures. These are key basics that whatever you're going to do is going to be built on that. So ensure you avoid this mistake. Learn the basics. The basics are important. Don't hurry to learn advanced concepts. Focus on the basics and you will be just fine. Another mistake people make is neglecting to develop programming skill. People think programming is difficult, and I've said it over and over on this channel that programming is not hard. Programming is not difficult. So because of this, a lot of people when starting out, they ignore or overlook the significance of programming. So try to develop skills on Python, R, or SQL, because this would help you effectively analyze data, transform data, manipulate data, and come up with good insights from your data. So it's time to embrace it, roll up your sleeves, and let's start coding. Another mistake people make is wanting to learn everything. I think I also made this mistake when starting out, wanting to learn everything, and I kind of regretted it at the end. Data is a very wide and extensive field with lots of tools, technologies, and methods. So wanting to learn everything at once before you start can get you overwhelmed and even discouraged at some point. I met people that said they started data science and they got overwhelmed and they backed out. So in order to avoid that mistake, start with the basics, start with the foundation, and you will naturally progress and extend into learning these different skills. You don't have to learn all the complex skills. Trust me, if you begin with the basics, you naturally grow into wanting to learn other programming languages, more advanced tools and technology. And when you've gotten your basics right, you can easily pick up these additional skills and technology. So don't forget, start with the basics, start with the foundation. Basics are just fine, and you will naturally progress into these different things. The next mistake we'll talk about is solely relying on theoretical knowledge. Many beginners look out for tutorials, videos, they read books without practically applying the things they've learned. It's a big mistake to overlook or underestimate the value or the importance of practical and hands-on experiments. There are lots of data repository online where you could get data and carry out experiment or practical on real world data set. I've talked about Kaggle. You get involved in challenges and competitions and try out your skills. This is how you can strengthen your data skills, your data analytical skill, or your machine learning skill. So don't focus on theory alone. Practicalize whatever you've learned. That's how you build experience. Embrace the power of learning by doing. The seventh mistake we'll look at is overlooking the importance of mentorship or guidance. Starting out a new journey can be really intimidating, and you don't have to do it alone. Seek out for experienced professionals that can help you navigate through that journey. Mentors offer valuable insights and can help you overcome some obstacles you may face along the way. Mentorship can be the game changer you need to make good progress. The next mistake beginners make is not staying updated. The world is changing. Data is an evolving field. Things change, so keep updated with latest trends, with latest technologies. Attend conferences, join communities, read publication, and stay curious. Many beginners make the mistake of not keeping up with latest trend, and this can greatly affect you because the world is changing. Data is an evolving field, so things change every day, so you need to stay updated with the latest technologies and the latest trend. The ninth mistake we talk about is ignoring the importance of soft skills. Soft skill matters a lot. Communication skill, analytical thinking, problem solving, these are good skills that would help you succeed as a data scientist. You need to be a problem solver because most of the time when you get data, you want to identify the problem and profile unique solutions to that problem. You may need project management skills because you might need to manage data science projects. You also need to communicate because you're communicating with stakeholders and other of your colleagues, or collaboration skills. These are skills that are very important, and most especially storytelling skills. Storytelling skill is a very important skill of a data scientist, so don't ignore soft skills. Soft skills matter in data analytics. So remember, your technical expertise won't guarantee your success, so you need to combine this with other skills, including soft skills. The 10th and the final mistake we'll talk about is lack of patience. Patience and persistence are key ingredients of success in data analytics. Many beginners, they get frustrated when they don't see immediate results in whatever they're doing, forgetting that the learning data analytics takes time and dedication. Data analytics is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to be ready to put in the work. It's not a bed of roses. A lot of times when people encounter the slightest challenge or the first obstacle, they tend to want to back out. So be ready to put in the work, fight for what you want. See setbacks as opportunities for growth. You have to continue learning and never stop learning. There you have it. By avoiding these common mistakes, you are setting yourself up for growth in this data analytics or data science journey. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.